Trader terminology. It is important to know words and phrases that are commonly used within the industry. Let's begin. PIP, percentage in point or price interest point, typically measured in decimals. Pipette or micro pip, smaller than a pip by 1 decimal point. Bulls, traders who are prioritizing buys. Bears, traders who are prioritizing sells. Price, the cost of a currency. Candlestick, an instrument to measure price. Price action, using multiple data points to analyze a market. Market, an exchange between two or more assets. Assets can be currency, stock, metal, crypto, commodity, etc. Bullish candle, a buy candle. Bearish candle, a sell candle. Bid, the highest price a buyer will pay for an asset. Ask, the lowest price a seller will accept. Spread, the difference between the bid and the ask. Sell, to speculate an asset will go down. Buy, to speculate an asset will go up. Technicals, a combination of price action and speculation based on data. Order, the request to make an action in the market. Entry order, the request to enter a trade in the market, either buy or sell. Stop loss order, the request to close a trade in the market should price push against your entry. Take profit order, the request to close a trade should price reach your target. Trailing stop loss order, manually move your stop loss order into profit to protect earnings. Buy stop order, the request to enter buy in the market at a certain area if price is going up. Sell stop order, the request to enter sell in the market at a certain area if price is going down. Buy limit order, the request to enter buy in the market if price goes down and comes back up. Sell limit order, the request to enter sell in the market if price goes up and comes back down. RSI, relative strength index, an indicator. Fibonacci, a drawing tool that works with pullbacks. EMA, exponential moving average. M pattern, bearish reversal pattern. This pattern reverses in the bear direction. W pattern, bullish reversal pattern. This pattern reverses in the bull direction. MWR, midweek reversal, a reversal that typically happens in the middle of the week. FTR, fail to return, an entry technique based on pullbacks. MTM, momentum told me, an entry technique based on the FTR. ECR, exponential moving average crossover and retest system, the Ekatatrading signature entry technique created by Ekatatrading. MT4, MetaTrader 4, the trading platform where you analyze and execute in the market. MT5, MetaTrader 5, the upgraded trading platform where you analyze and execute in the market. Break even, to neither lose or win a trade. Loss, to lose a trade. Win, to win a trade. Margin call, to blow an account, no more money to trade. Free margin, the amount of margin you have left to open new trades. Leverage, to control money a certain amount of times greater than what you have. Equity, the sum of the balance of your account plus or minus any open trades. Chart, where you see candlesticks. Quotes, the different assets and their current prices. Backtest, to go back in history to see what happened on a particular asset. Drawdown, to have an open trade floating at a loss. FOMO, the fear of missing out. Session open, the opening of a particular session. Session close, the closing of a particular session. Market open, the opening of the market at the start of each new week. Market close, the closing of the market at the end of each week. Trend, a pattern that moves along a diagonal line. Uptrend, the market is creating an uptrend. Downtrend, the market is creating a downtrend. Support, the market has hit the floor. Resistance, the market has hit the ceiling. Consolidation or ranging, the market isn't going anywhere. Momentum, the market is moving somewhere. Accumulation, the market is capturing orders. Exhaustion, the market is getting tired. Rejection, the market doesn't like a certain area. Respect, the market respects a certain area. Retest, the market is going back to a certain area. Break, the market broke a certain area. OHLC, the open, high, low, and close of a candlestick. HOD, the high of the day. LOD, the low of the day. HOTW, the high of the week. LOTW, the low of the week. Signals, to get the details of a trade from someone else. Time frame, the time at which it takes one candle to form and close. HTF, higher time frame. LTF, lower time frame. The dealer, the person or persons computer or algorithm that controls the market. Traps, a tool designed to make you make the wrong decision, set by the dealer. There are so many more, but we will stop here for now.